Martin's here, and today we'll be looking at how to normalize all sounds in Premiere Pro. In other words, how to make loud sounds and low sounds become level.
So if you look at my timeline, you can see from the waveform that these two clips, these two sounds don't match. One is higher than the other. And this can create a scenario where your viewers will constantly have to be reducing or increasing the volume based on the sound level, which is not always the best. It just doesn't make your job professional at all. So in order to match your sound level, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to select all the audio you wish to normalize, right click on any of them, and then go to audio gain, and then select normalize all peaks to, then type in minus or -1, and then just click OK. And as you can see from the waveform, your audio is now level. Now, this will put your audio in just the best spot, not too loud and not too low. Your whole audio will stay around 0 decibels, and your content will never touch the red clipping warning. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.